Hey guys, so as you can see from the title, today I'm going to talk about some contact lenses that I purchased from Pinky Paradise. I had seen a lot of other YouTubers talk about how they've purchased from this company. I've always wanted colored contacts. I was out with a friend of mine recently and he wears colored contacts like around Halloween time and stuff. And we had gone to a store and they had some, but I was like, I don't know. Like I didn't know if I wanted to pick them up yet. And I was like, I'll wait till I get home and I'll search online to see if I can find anything. So I looked up Pinky Paradise because I had heard of them numerous times, and I looked through their site and I found a couple pair of contact lenses that I really liked. In the past, I had tried to wear contacts. I have prescription glasses for distance, and I got contacts to wear for, if I was driving or whatever, if I was out. And I just couldn't do it. They just bothered my eyes so much. I'm like, how do people do this? This is like not comfortable. I'd rather just wear like regular glasses. So I didn't think that I would ever be able to wear colored contacts and or special effects type contacts. So I kind of just like put it off. And then recently when I saw my friend with his, I'm like, I want to try it. At least just try it because they're cheap enough that I could get them if I don't like them and I can just say whatever and not wear them. So I got this pair that I'm wearing here. They're a mix of like black and red. It kind of just like a red flare, I guess you want to call it. I'll come closer so you guys can see them better. And the name of this particular color is Cosplay Explosion Red, and in parentheses it says yearly. I don't know what that means. I've seen that on a bunch of them, it says yearly. I don't know what that means. So if anybody knows what that means, then let me know. And they're not prescription. I just got like plain ones just for the coloring, and that's it. I had a bitch of a time, first off, opening the container that they were in. They were in this little glass vial. And it's like you had to like pull the tab off the top and pull the metal foil off around it. I had to use like tweezers to rip it off. And then just like getting them on, they kept like flipping inside out on me. And I don't know if that's just because I just don't know how to put contacts in properly, or I'm not used to it. So they kept flipping, and because I was starting off with this eye first, and I used like some solution and like they say to do in the directions, and put them in, and oh my god, I just couldn't get it in. My eyes like watering. I'm like, what the hell? I can't do this. I finally get it in, and I'm like, oh my god, this feels like freaking sandpaper on my eye. It was like killing me, but I just kept it in. I kept like blinking and stuff. I went ahead and put this side in. This side like doesn't even bother me, like hardly at all. The only thing like more so on this side, I can see like the red ring around my eye, like, just like looking normally, I can see like on the outsides it's like red. But as far as comfort, this one was fine. I don't know what's up with this one. I don't know if something's like warped on it and it's scratching my eye, or just because I struggled with it so much I just annoyed my eye, or what. But I mean, it's getting a little bit better. At first I was like literally like, oh my god, like blinking. I'm like, I can't do this. So I love the way that they look. I think they look really cool. I don't know if I could particularly wear them out like for hours if I was to go out somewhere. I don't know, I'd have to see. I feel like my eyes would start watering and I have to like touch up my makeup. I didn't even bother wearing like eyeliner underneath because I was like, that shit's gonna run. Like, I don't know if I should just keep trying to put them in and wear them like maybe once a week just so I get used to them. I honestly don't know what to do. So if anybody has any contact lens wearing advice, please give it to me because I need it. And I saw online, I think it was like on Amazon, it's this like little stick, like suction cup thing that you could put on the end of like a contact lens to like stick it on your eye better so you don't have to use your fingers. And it got mixed reviews. Some people said it worked really good. Other people were like, do not buy this thing. I talked to somebody online, they were like, don't use one of those, just use your finger. So as far as advice for that, like putting them in, if you guys have tried that little device, let me know what you think of it, pros and cons. So yeah, this is this color. I got just another pair that are a purpley color. I'm going to try to put them in and then come back and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so I'm back after a little bit of work, and this is the second pair of contacts that I got. They're a purple color. And I'll have to say that these ones are way more comfortable than the other pair I was wearing. I don't know if it's just like maybe that one side, this side had a defect in it or something, but it was bothering the shit out of my eye. And then this side was totally fine. But now wearing these, like both sides are fine. It's just like maybe like a little bit cloudy, you know, because it's like some of that, like I can see some of the covering on the side where the color is. But other than that, they're pretty comfortable. They don't bother me. It's just putting them in. It was like a pain in the butt. It kept popping out and like flipping inside out. And I'm like, oh my God. So I had to like redo parts of my makeup and stuff. I ended up putting like some bottom eyeliner on to accentuate the contacts. And I think it looks really nice. So let me find out what the name of this color was. This one's just called Super Violet and says that yearly, again in parentheses. So yeah, I think they were about $24 a piece for these contact lenses. This is the little vial that they came inside. So it was like one in each container. So I had a total of 4. And then on top has if you get prescription, it has the prescription number written on top. And then they gave me these cute little cases to put the contacts in. This one's like a little piggy, a pink little piggy, and this one's like a yellow blowfish, I think he's supposed to be. So yeah, overall, I'm happy that I tried it because I've always wanted to try colored contact lenses. And like I said, these ones really don't bother me that much. They're not like scratching my eyes or anything like that. It was just the other pair that kind of did it on that one side. So if you guys have any advice, recommendations, anything, how to put them in, how to make them not hurt so much, should I try putting them in like more frequently, like how often to get used to them, how I should store them. It just says to put them in contact, I think contact solution, which I have them in the other pair and in the case right now. And, you know, to clean them with contact solution when you're about to put them in and things like that. So how long do they last? Like how long can I hold on to these for before they're like no good and I can't wear them anymore? I need help. I need help, guys. I'm basically just reviewing the product as far as like how I like the looks of it and the comfort of them and the pricing. But overall, I don't have any clues about contact lenses. I'm not experienced in wearing them whatsoever. So any help would be much appreciated. Okay, well that's it for me today, guys. It was just a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to try something different. I hope you like the look of these contacts. I really like them. I think they look nice on me. And yeah, until next time, stay dark, my friends, and I will talk to you guys later.